Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce a new feature of KD. This is a fixed code key intentionally encrypted by other devices. Normal copy recognition will indicate it as an HCS code. Copying it this way won't work. We need to adopt the encrypted fixed code copying method to revert it back to the original fixed code. Now let me show you how it works. First, we enter the normal copy interface. Then we test the remote control. HCS Rolling Code. If it displays as a rolling code, if the copied key fails to work at this point. This indicates it is a rolling code that cannot be copied directly. Then you can go back. Then select the encrypted fixed code copy option to proceed with copying. Press it again, and it will prompt that it is a fixed code. Press this button again. Display fixed code. All are fixed codes. The copied key will work properly now. Okay, let's skip the generation process directly. Let's take a look at the key. Then we connect a KD key. Click Generate. Select Wire Generation. Generation completed. Let's test the key first. Then we go back. Go back in here and test it again. It will be converted to a fixed code. So if you try to copy directly from here, if the fixed code doesn't work, you can enter this option to give it a try. Copy this remote control. Done.